Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smashed his freak. Damn. You might not be able to make it to, you know what I'm saying, to an event or whatever. So you could just kick back, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel and watch every event that pop up, you know what I'm saying, on my channel. So, man, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, man, because I'm bringing you these bangers and we're going to keep continuously dropping. I've been uploading every day consistently, man, and I'm going to keep dropping it consistently, man. Got good TRACKHAWK action over there, man. Uh-oh, he bringing that thing back around. Bringing that thing back around. Good TRACKHAWK action, man. Y'all see that? THC. Y'all see that, man? Going crazy, guys, going crazy. See what else we got over here, man. Okay, that boy pulling up. Boy pulling up. That thing crazy. Good TRACKHAWK action. Mopar City. Mopar City, y'all see that thing right there. Trouble yellow. Trouble yellow. Look at that on top of the hood. Got John Wick on the hood. That's crazy. I didn't even see that. Baba Yaga. Oh shit. I didn't even catch that at first when I first seen that. Look at that. That's lit. That's lit. That's Comunicado. Oh, that's lit. Got the John Wick thing Challenger here, man. Y'all see that?
I like that pistol.
That's lit. Y'all see this thing? That is fucking lit, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Sunday?
This Sunday.
So you guys know I already got the hardest V6 charger in the game. You know what I'm saying? No question. But it's gonna be time to upgrade real soon. Real soon. So when I upgrade, you know I'm gonna have the coldest scat. Or something else that I ain't gonna tell you, but whatever I have, nigga, when I get the Hemi, I'm gonna have the coldest Hemi in the game. So just stay with me. I'm doing this for y'all, so you can get inspired. You know what I'm saying? You want to start off at the whip you want to start off at? That's cool. Maximize what you got. Make the most get the most potential out of what you got. You know what I'm saying? Make the most out of your circumstance, and then when you get to the next level, do the same thing, but do it on a higher level. You know what I'm saying? So I'm doing this to inspire y'all, you know what I'm saying, and all that shit. Because, you know, a lot of people out here already got these cars and all that shit. And, you know, a lot of people want these cars and shit. This shit is obtainable. Everybody can do it. But everybody don't know how to do it, and everybody started at different levels. So I'm gonna walk y'all through it, give you a damn tutorial on how to do this shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for that, and make sure you hit the like button. But get them to go crazy. Alcantara seats in there. Let's see. That thing, man. Look at that. Sheesh. Crazy, brother. If you couldn't be here today, I'm bringing you this footage and you can live through my video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and like button right now, man. Y'all see that thing right there? Y'all see that thing. See if he gonna go crazy. See if he gonna go crazy. Ooh, is he gonna get a burn on it? Gotta get the burn on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I do a burnout, but it's all-wheel drive.
The Tesla, this thing is gonna take off. I already know. This thing gonna take off like a rocket ship. And it's gonna be silent as a mouse. Look at this, watch this. Watch how it take off. Like a rocket ship. And quiet as a mouse. John Wick. Look at that. He about to hit the burnout on the skateboard, on the booster board, man.
Top speed 20 right here.
Golly. Oh, I definitely was not expecting that for that truck. That thing smashed out. That thing was loud. Good super right there, guys. Good super. Yeah, that is the same one. Oh, shit. Team Mopar. Good TRACKHAWK, good TRACKHAWK. This is the lineup, guys. We're getting the Mopar lineup right now. TRACKHAWKs. TRACKHAWK. Y'all see this thing? Damn, that thing is loud. Good TRACKHAWK, good Mopar gang. Pull out, guys. Shit. They calm down, the police can't, they calm down now. That's how you end the video, guys. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, just like that. We out, man.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty, yeah bitch, I'm a king. King, bad bitch named Ashley. She bad, and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk.